Hello everybody. Today we are going to install the Magic Mesh Hands-Free Screen Door Deluxe. I'd like to be able to keep my door open for a few minutes without letting the bugs in. So, let's give it a try. This is what comes inside. Of course, your instructions, the mesh itself, adhesive strips, and these little tacks. Please note, it states, if your door opens in, install on the outside of the door frame. If your door opens out, install on the inside of your door frame. So basically, you're going to lay this down. You're going to install the strips. Okay, the tacks. So we're going to go ahead and get started right now. Here you have the mesh laid out on the floor. I just want to show you the magnets up close. Go like this. Okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to take a long strip across the top. A strip goes on the mesh. A strip goes on your door. Velcro strips. You're going to do that all the way around the perimeter. And here are the short ones that go on the side. The tacks, the little tacks, are for extra security in case there's any gaps. Okay? So, strips on the frame of your door, strips on the mesh. There's the sticky part that's going to go across the top and with the short ones on the side. Be very careful. This stuff is quite tacky. It's very, very sticky. And yes, it'll stick to yourself. Oh, excuse me, stick to itself. So just apply right across the top. Make sure you hold that taunt. And then carefully make sure you got it all the way to the edge there. And then you're simply very carefully now, make sure it's nice and taut. You're going to go across. One across the top, 4 for each side. Well, unbelievably, I got it up. What is my rating from a 1 to a 10? You get about a 7. You get about a 7. Will it keep all the bugs out? I don't think so. I don't think so. But there you have it. I'm just going to be honest about it.